Now we have done the record the journal and create the ledgers. The third is prepare the trial balance. As per the accounting process, first done, second done, third done. The fourth one is trial balance we have to be prepared. How can we prepare the trial balance? It's very simple. First we have to go to the ledgers account, and you can see that we have created the ledgers relevant with our sum, right? So now we have to be close all the ledgers. End of the year we have to close all the ledgers, and this balance transfer to the trial balance. That's it. Okay, it's a very simple. I'm going to be show you. First you have to be look which side is higher. You can see here is higher 405, here is like a 3,500. So first we have to be put that the highest amount, so equal SUM, start the bracket and select. This is the highest amount, right? This side is highest, so we have to be close, then enter. And now here we need to be put equal here, right? Okay, so then what will have to be do? If you make 405,500, so the balance we have to be enter here. So what is the balance? Equal this one minus this one minus this one minus this one minus this one, then enter. So you can say 102,000 is a balance, right? So this is balance is called balance carrying down, right? So I'm going to be type carrying down in the short CD, balance CD, right? And this time we have I'm going to be, the date is, what is the date? End of the year. So the date should be 31st/3/2020, right? And this is the balance. So 102,000. Here also we need to bring this balance. So 102,000. This balance is called that brought down. Balance brought down, BD, right? So the date is 31st, end of the year. So it should be 31st March 2020. So this BD we need to be highlight. This BD will be transferred to the trial balance. I'm going to be differentiate. This BD, it's a debit side, so I need to create the trial balance. The first one is cash account. I'm copy and I'm going to be paste. Cash account. This side is a brought down side is debit, so we have to be enter trial balance debit 102,000, right? 102,000 here, 102,000. Now we have closed the cash account. The next one is capital account. I'm going to be close. So here is a 400, here also 400,000, and here also 400,000. Then here is balance carried down, right? So here is carrying down balance how much? So balance, I'm going to be copy this one, this phrase, I'm going to be paste here. The balance how much? 400, right? 400,000. Here is I'm going to be copy and I'm going to be paste. Balance brought down how much? 400,000. 400,000. So now we have closed the capital account. In the capital account, this is the credit side. So we have to be transfer this amount to trial balance. So the credit side, the capital account. So I'm going to be type the second one is capital account. So I'm going to be copy the capital account and paste. And how much this one? 400. So 400,000. Right. Now the second also done. The third ledger is ICICI Bank. So here is 200,000. Here also 200,000. Right. And I'm going to copy balance CD, balance carried down. Here we need to put carried down mean this is balance, we need to be equal. So that's what I need to put, that carrying down 200,000 and carrying down, brought down, how much the brought down? I'm going to be copy, here is brought down 200,000. So this brought down will we go to the trial balance. So this is the debit side. So ICICI Bank debit side 200,000. So ICICI Bank, ICICI Bank debit side how much? 200,000. So I'm going to be enter 200,000. The next one is credit purchase. So 44,500 and here also 44,500. Right. So balance carried down how much? 44,500. Balance brought down how much? The same amount, 44,500. Right. So this amount will go to the trial balance credit purchase. I'm going to copy, and the fourth one is credit purchase. $44,500 debit side, brought down debit side, right? So 44,500, right? So the next one is, next ledger we have to be closed. This is 40,000. This is 40,000. Sorry, 40,000. This is 40,000. So if it is equal, no need to be worried. This account will be closed automatically, right? Then the land account 60,000, right? 60,000, and here also 60,000. So in this balance is imbalance, so we have to be enter carrying down, right? Carrying down how much? 60,000, and brought down how much? The same amount, 60,000. So brought down we have to be take into the trial balance. So this is the debit side. So land debit side 60,000. Land debit side 60,000. Land debit side 60,000. The next one is, we are going to close Swati account 95,000, and balance carrying down, how much? 95,000, and balance brought down how much? Sorry, 95,000, right? Okay, carrying down 95,000, brought down 95,000. This brought down side, it will go to the trial balance. Swati debit side. Swati debit side. Swati is who? Sunday debtors, right? And how much debit side? 95,000. Okay. This account also closed. The next one is credit sales. Credit sales is 95,000. So 95,000. Here also 95,000. Alright. So cutting down how much? The 95,000. And balance brought down 95,000. So this balance brought down, it's transferred to the trial balance. Credit sale, the credit side, right? Credit sale, copy and paste. Okay, one mistake I corrected. So Swati account 95,000. Now what is that? Sale, credit sale 95,000, credit side. So credit sale how much? Credit sale 95,000. So that's a one credit sale. Credit sale how much? 95,000 brought down in the credit side. So credit side 95,000. Credit side 95,000. Right. The next one is 8 ledgeries. Salary. So salary 3,500. 3,500. And balance carried down here 3,000, sorry, 3,500, right? 3,500. Balance brought down here 3,500, right? So this is balance brought down, go to the trial balance. Salary brought down 3,500. So I'm going to be salary debit side 3,500. Debit side 3,500. So now salary also we have closed. The next one is rent received 5,500. 5,500. So balance carried down how much? 5,500. And balance brought down how much? 5,500. So this balance will go to the trial balance in the credit side because brought down is credit. So rent received credit 5,500. Rent received credit 5,500. Right. The next one is Safa 4,500. 4,500. So balance carried down 4,500 and balance brought down. I'm going to copy and paste 4,500, right? So this is Safa account credit 4,500. So Safa is Sunday creditors, right? Okay, it means that we purchase on the credit. So Safa account and number 10, this is balance brought down 4,500. So credit side 4,500. Now if we balance these two should be equal. Then only our ledgers and the records are correct. So now I'm going to be balance this one, right? So the equal SUM, start the bracket and select up to here, and then close the bracket and enter. 505,000, and here also should be 505,000. Then only our sum is correct. So I'm going to be enter equal sign. I need to call the sum function, start the bracket and select the range, then close, then enter. So here also 505,000. It means that our sum is correct. Our ledger, journal record, all are correct. So I hope that you understand well.